Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learning about how to train a simple machine learning model and run it on a ESP32 device. So let's start. For machine learning model training we are going to use a website called Edge Impulse, where we can train a machine learning model for ESP32 pretty easily. So let's start by adding data for our machine learning model. In this video we are going to train a model which will basically predict comfortable or uncomfortable weather based on weather data or temperature humidity getting by a DHT temperature humidity sensor. So let's upload the data. First of all we are going to upload dataset for comfortable weather. And second of all we are going to upload dataset for uncomfortable weather. Here our dataset upload has complete, and also we have to choose our processor which we are going to train our model. So since we are going to train model for ESP32, so we'll choose ESP. Now let's jump into the next section. In this section we have to create an impulse for our model. First of all we have to give a processing block in which section our dataset are going to be pre-processed. So for that we are going to choose flatted. Since we have temperature data which is slow moving data, so we must choose flatten. And second of all we have to add learning block for our neural network. So since we are doing classification, so we have to choose classification, and we have to decrease the window size and window increase so our model can learn very fast slowly. And now let's set the impulse. Since we save our impulse, let's jump into the pre-processing section. Here all the setting is pretty much set, so let's set the parameter and generate feature for our model. It took a little bit time, so let's wait. Here we done our pre-processing segment, so let's jump into the model training section. Here we give a 14 feature and 14 input layer for our model, and everything will be same settings. So let's save and train. Okay, our model training is complete. Since the dataset is short, so we are getting 100% accuracy, so don't take it seriously. We are using a dummy dataset, so that is our model training results. So let's download the dataset for deployment. Since we are going to upload this using Arduino library, so we must choose Arduino library here, and let's build our model. So you can say by those pretty simple step we just generate a machine learning model for our ESP32. So here are our model. So let's add this to our Arduino library section. Our library is installed. So let's upload the code into our ESP32. For this video we are going to use the ESP32 S3 module. So let's select that. From there we choose ESP32 S3, and for port is COM port 3. Let's upload the model. It's going to a pretty lengthy process, so let's wait. So here our case upload has been done. So let's check the result. Here we can show the live temperature and humidity is showing, and also showing the percentage of comfortable and uncomfortable weather prediction. So let's change the parameter a little bit. So we can show when the temperature and humidity is changing, the prediction is also changing. So from here we can show that it changes from uncomfortable weather to comfortable weather. So we can call our machine learning model is working perfectly. So that's our today's session. So I think we learn how to train a machine learning model and upload it in a ESP32 device and run it on ESP32 device. So that's all content of this video. Thank you.